Imagine a battlefield not dominated by soldiers, but by machines. Machines that can sprint like Olympic athletes, climb impossible terrains, and strike with pinpoint accuracy. AI-powered robots are here, and their stats are mind-blowing. Robot dogs covering 100 meters in under 10 seconds, humanoid robots carrying 44 pounds upstairs with ease, and drones executing precision strikes with military-grade efficiency. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of modern warfare. In today's video, we're unveiling the jaw-dropping capabilities of these AI-powered butcher bots and breaking down how nations like the US and China are racing to harness their power. These numbers aren't just stats, they're the markers of a technological arms race that could redefine the future of humanity. Let's dive into the world of AI-driven warfare and explore the terrifying possibilities ahead. AI-powered butcher bots are autonomous weapons designed to identify and neutralize targets without the need for human intervention. These cutting-edge machines leverage advancements in machine learning, facial recognition, and precision strikes, making them a formidable addition to modern warfare. Imagine robot dogs sprinting 100 meters in under 10 seconds, or humanoid robots mass-produced for deployment. The race for AI dominance is reshaping the global landscape, with superpowers like the US and China pouring immense resources into advancing autonomous systems. From robot dogs patrolling the streets to AI drones swarming the skies, these technologies are not only transforming industries, but also escalating an unprecedented arms race. This fierce competition underscores the strategic importance of AI-driven weaponry, where cutting-edge innovations can redefine the global balance of power. While these technologies are becoming practical for everyday life, like folding laundry or assisting in stores, their military potential is far more striking. Autonomous weapons are revolutionizing warfare, making them an irresistible asset for forward-thinking militaries. Viral videos of robot dogs scaling slopes, performing handstands and rolling downhill at high speeds showcase their combat readiness, while AI-powered drones add an intimidating layer of precision and efficiency to modern battlefields. The implications are profound. As these autonomous systems evolve, they don't just enhance combat capabilities, they fundamentally alter the dynamics of global power. The US and China are locked in a high-stakes race for AI supremacy, each striving to outpace the other in weaponry and manufacturing dominance. This relentless pursuit raises critical questions about the future of warfare and the ethical boundaries of AI deployment, leaving the world to wonder how this technological rivalry will shape the decades to come. China is leading the AI and robotics revolution, combining rapid scalability with cutting-edge innovation. Their robotic dogs, like the WW3, feature carbon fiber shins for durability and specialized running shoes that enhance grip by 200%. These AI-powered dogs reach speeds of 12.4 miles per hour, maintaining balance and adapting to tough terrains for tasks like policing, inspections, and suspect apprehension. These robots can also perform somersaults, climb mountains, and assist in rescue missions, with viral videos showcasing their impressive agility. Armed with rifles during military exercises, they demonstrate dual-use potential for both civilian and military roles. Their advanced AI boosts surveillance and precision, redefining efficiency in high-risk operations. China isn't only focused on robot dogs, but also on humanoids. In 2023, iBot launched, surpassing Tesla's Optimus projections by producing nearly 10,000 units by late 2024. These humanoids are already transforming industries, showcasing China's rapid ability to turn prototypes into real-world applications. At CES 2025, Chinese firms like Pudu Robotics debuted the D9 humanoid, which can carry 44 pounds, navigate stairs, and perform tasks like cleaning and stocking shelves for just $20,000 to $30,000. Other companies like Fourier Intelligence and UB Tech are also scaling up bipedal robots, solidifying China's leadership in robotics and autonomous tech. China's mature supply chains keep costs low and speed up production, making advanced robots more accessible. While the US maintains economic superiority, China's manufacturing power offers a crucial edge, especially for long-term conflict. The war in Ukraine has highlighted the role of drones and artillery in modern warfare, and China is keenly observing these lessons. In response, China is rapidly expanding its arsenal, focusing on the swift production of ships, drones, and ammunition for potential conflicts, particularly regarding Taiwan. China controls 90% of the global consumer drone market, allowing for quick adaptations for military use. Drones in Ukraine have proven effective, disabling US Abrams tanks, prompting a reassessment of military tactics. China's production power, along with its AI-driven technologies, positions it for dominance in both civilian and military sectors. The US is deeply invested in the development of AI-powered technologies, though it faces fierce competition from China's rapid advancements in mass production. While China leads in producing high-volume robots, the US has carved out its own niche, particularly in industries like robotics, automation, and military defense. The focus in the US tends to be more on precision, autonomy, and the enhancement of existing systems, rather than scaling up production at the speed seen in China. For example, Boston Dynamics, a prominent US robotics company, has created robots like Spot, a four-legged AI-powered robot that excels in navigating complex environments, conducting inspections, and performing tasks in hazardous conditions. Though not a butcher bot, Spot's design and AI capabilities showcase how these systems could potentially be adapted to a variety of specialized tasks in the future, demonstrating the US emphasis on versatile, high-precision robotic applications. On the military front, the US has also made significant strides with AI-driven defense systems. Take the MQ-9 Reaper drone, for instance. This drone is equipped with AI-powered algorithms that enable precision targeting and surveillance, making it an invaluable tool in modern military operations. While the US has not focused on autonomous robots like butcher bots, AI is already heavily integrated into the military for surveillance, logistics, and autonomous combat. These AI-powered systems provide vital support, assisting soldiers in missions ranging from tactical reconnaissance to logistics management, all without requiring direct human intervention. Experts fear that highly capable AI could develop self-preservation instincts, rewrite its code, replicate itself, or manipulate humans, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences. Governments appear more focused on winning the AI race than ensuring these systems align with human values. China prioritizes AI for military and population control, while the US is launching a Manhattan Project-style program for AGI. In such a competitive environment, safety standards might be ignored, risking a scenario where critical decisions are left to AI systems. Unlike nuclear weapons, AI technologies are software easily replicable and highly vulnerable to theft or hacking. The US has raised alarms about China's massive data breaches, which could potentially fuel even more powerful AI development and bring the world closer to disaster. As tensions over Taiwan and other geopolitical issues continue to rise, the threat of a global crisis driven by advanced machines, mass production, and AI weaponry seems all too plausible. The time to act is now. If humanity wants to avoid a future filled with the nightmare of unstoppable slaughter bots, we must push for the responsible, ethical use of these emerging technologies. This means treating advanced AI with the same level of caution as we do with nuclear weapons, limiting its spread, securing its usage, and ensuring it's harnessed in ways that benefit humanity rather than threaten its very existence. Our video is ending now. What do you think about the rise of AI-powered butcher bots and their potential impact on global security? We're eager to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed our exploration of these unique machines, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.